Clothes. As we say that we prepare all the items that we need to use into washing the garments. After preparing the items, then we need to check out the pockets of our garments where there is any items to be removed. Then we remove all the items found in our garments. After we remove the third step of procedure, we separate these clothes into three groups. We separate them according to their color. Then we separate them according to their type, but also according to the degree of dust. Then after you sort out, you need to repair those clothes. The worn out clothes should be repaired before we start washing, okay? Then, at the process of washing, we take water into the bucket. After we take water into the bucket, we need to add the soap into the bucket. After you add the soap into the bucket, then you soak in the clothes into your bucket of water mixed with soap. Dry. But when drying these clothes, we need to hold these clothes from falling down. When hanging them on hanging wire. Which item are we using into holding these clothes? Which item do we use in holding these clothes? Yes. We use pegs into holding these clothes. After they dry, you pick them into the dry and the clean and safe place. We store them there before go into the process of what? Ironing. The garment, preparing these items, then followed by checking out the pockets of our garments if there is any items to be removed before we start washing. That is worn out garments. We are going to repair the worn out garments before we start what? Washing. Before we start washing, we should repair them. After we repair these garments, the worn out a bucket of water. Then we add the soap into a bucket of water. We stir that water to be mixed with that soap, of which is powder soap. It's okay. Why are we leaving these clothes after we soak them into a bucket of water mixed with soap? Why are we leaving them for some minutes? Yes? Yes? Tell us.
To make it easier to remove the dirt.
To make easier the dirt to be removed from our garment. The other one? Yes?
To soften dirt.
To soften dirt. Yes?
Loosen dirt.
To loosen dirt. You are all correct. That we loosen dirt as to aid the removal of dirt from our clothes. After that, then we start scrubbing to remove dirt. After we finish scrubbing the clothes, that rinsing, we use clean water into our clothes which was being scrubbed. Why are we rinsing? Yes?
Because we wash the clothes and there are some particles of the soap. So we need to remove those particles of the soap before hanging.
It's okay. Before